live on the Welsh Assembly's Facebook page.
So we can communicate with people, ask them their ideas. We won't be coming to a vision as such until we take those ideas on board.
When I came across it on Bethan's page saying about the music inquiry, I was thrilled.
Which means the whole subject is now caught the public imagination and they realise that the problem of music in schools is serious.
You ended up with 20,000 very cheap clarinets that fell apart and nowhere to put them. And again, it was based on what that particular music service person's favourite bag was.
I was in a school yesterday teaching 12 brass players in half an hour. And you might think, well, that's not too bad. A parent from the school did speak to me last week and said, so how long do they actually have for tuition in the school? And he said, is it 10 minutes? And I don't know how you answer that question.
I found solace in music, and I was lucky because my parents saw the value of that.
My own personal experience of music is one rich in memories and opportunity.
Neb yn gwneud y cor. A fan ni'n mynd i'r Chyfathrebu, fan o'n nad oes neb yn neud y cor, a fo'n dweud, wel, newch eich hun. O'n i'n meddwl, reit, na i neud y fi hun. Dyna sut nes i dechrau arwain.
I always had music lessons and enjoyed them, and that really helped kind of shape who I am now.
It's a multi-million, billion-pound industry in this country, so surely we can create some kind of aspiration for these people.
The task in Philipsport was excellent, but in order to deliver it, we need the capacity and the commitment to do that. And the things are not in place for us to be able to deliver that.
It's part of our culture and our heritage. But the thing is, if we're not careful, we won't be able to say these things in future years.